Hey, my name is Yvonne and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be taking down my cornrows and washing my hair. I'm about to get started, so let's do this together. First, take down. I've had this cornrows in for about 2 weeks, like 27th of last month, and it was really beautiful initially. I'll show you a picture of how cute it was, or you can check out my last short on latte makeup. You can check it out. If you check it out, you'd probably see, yeah, you definitely see the all back and how lovely it was at the beginning. But after like the first week or so, it started looking a little weird. I think I've had it for a while. Yes, since like 26. Started looking a little rough. Maybe it's because I'm on natural hair. This hair doesn't persevere in certain hairstyles. And then even the extension that they added to the ends started looking a little rough too. So I first of all took out the extension at the end. They used kinky. I took it out because I didn't really like how it was looking and it kept on unraveling. Then I carried the cornrows just like this. And now I'm taking it down because I'm tired, I'm done. And my hair is dirty. My hair was kind of dirty when I made it. But I told them to carry on. I don't know if it's because I don't know how to wash my hair or I didn't wash it properly. Okay, yeah, I washed my hair in cornrows. That's what happened. So the last cornrows I had on for a month, I washed them while I still had the cornrows on. So I guess that made sense. It was dirty. So my hair's still dirty. Now I'm taking it out to do like a proper thorough wash day. So we're going to do this together. I hope you're ready. And then disclaimer, I'm not going to be using any amazing products. In fact, what I'm trying to do right now is to use up the products I have so that I can restock. And yeah, maybe you can tell me the natural hair products that you use and I will check the reviews and what people are saying about them online and decide on the one I'm going to buy next. But I'm tilting towards Shea Moisture. I heard a lot of good things about Shea Moisture. Shea Moisture or Cantu. So we'll decide. Let me fast track this process and we'll be back. It's later on in the evening and I have washed my hair already. Now I want to apply conditioner and oils before I start showing you how I style my hair on wash day if I have somewhere to go or I have errands to run and I'm not ready to put my hair into a serious style or even put my hair into any style in particular. So this is how I style my hair using scarves. We're about to begin that. For now, I'm applying leave-in conditioner. I don't recommend this one. I will recommend another brand to you when I get leave-in conditioner that works for me.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out, Till some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my
These are very simple scarf styles that we're going to be creating. You're going to need pins. You're going to need this cap for under the scarf. You're going to need edge control to slay your edges. And you're going to need the brushes that you're going to use to lay the edge control on your edges.
my empty mindset. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes trying to be a nuisance is just urgent. Trying to make some little change got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, think he was holding me. Choose the right, what it will be.
If you're wondering what I'm doing here, then I want you to know that you don't have to do this. I'm only doing this because I wanted to give the illusion of having in cornrows. So I braided it in 6 places, and this just made it easier for me to lay my edges and have the front of my hair look neater. Just that's the reason. There's no underlying deep reason. So you can skip this part and just go straight into slaying your edges.
Follow me all the while. I wave my arm, won't feel it a smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, still in my mind. Help me on my fears, my never since I disappeared. If you let me, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone. Ooh, way to dip, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit, do it, baby, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset.
Now for your edges, this is not the first time we're going to be doing edges together, but just to give you a quick tip, apply your edge control on your hair and, smooth it out. Then take your brush and flatten it while creating the desired shape that you want. I think it's that simple. So you're moving it. If it's gotten a little too hard, maybe because it's too cold and it dried fast, then you can spray a little bit of water or conditioner or oil and continue smoothing your edges.
Worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you babe, you don't care. Not trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some little change got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, think he was holding me. To the right, but it will pick up in front of me.
For style number 1, alternative 1, you're going to leave the end of the scarf out to just hang by your shoulder. But this is the inspo. Throw on a pair of sunnies. You can do your makeup, accessorize, and you're good to go. It's just a very simple, beautiful look that you can wear to casual events, or you can just wear it to run errands.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some in now. Let your edge out. Till some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes trying to be a nuisance is just urgent. Trying to make some little change got me a war in my mind.
So for style number 1, alternative number 2, you can decide to tuck in the end of the scarf at the back like a bun. So this way it's just, a different look. depending on how you want to style it. I think this is okay. This is simple. It doesn't leave anything to touch you, so you're just, nothing's busy around your hair. And you can wear this anywhere too. You can throw on your pair of sunnies too, put your glasses on, wear your hoops and your gold accessories, and you're good to go. Definitely recommend this for the girls that don't want to stress and don't want to wear wigs when they just wash their hair. So I think this is just a nice way to cover your hair when going to the salon, or it's just a neat way to cover your hair before you make it if you don't feel like making it. For style number 2, I'm going to be showing you our inspo. It's supposed to be a high puff. You can put the scarf around the puff itself or just around your hair. Personally, I tend to shy away from a high puff because of the length of my hair, and I'm not really comfortable wearing it out and about. But this is an option for you if you don't mind. I'll show you how I achieve mine. The most important thing in this tutorial today is that we're not going to be using products to get our hair to sleek or curl or stuff like that, because you just washed your hair. You don't want to start loading it with things to cover your scalp. Hence this very simple hairstyle that you can do for any outing you have to do impromptu, or on the day that you washed your hair. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video to someone that might find it useful. I love you guys. Till next time. Bye.